Time for a little health history. Scientists say a coronavirus epidemic took place in East Asia more than 20,000 years ago. They say that the virus still has an impact on the population today. News 8's medical reporter Dr. Mary Gillis here to explain for us. Mary, I've never heard of this before.
Me neither until now. Interesting stuff though. Thanks, Alexis. A new study published in Current Biology says the viral epidemic lasted over a century, taking millions of lives in East Asia. But many survived as a result of having a genetic predisposition to fight off the virus, while others did not, meaning some people had an innate ability to either promote or prevent viral replication. So what does this have to do with COVID-19 in these current times? Dr. Amy Beth-Kressel weighs in.
I think there's a warning here in our ancient history that 20,000 years ago, there was something very similar that did not get mild. It caused a lot of people to die to the point that survivors had genes that we can still see today that protected them.
According to Kressel, this is a perfect example of survival of the fittest driving evolutionary change. It permanently changed a population. And just to clarify, she says the virus itself did not change DNA. Rather, it showed how genetics played a role when it came to surviving the coronavirus epidemic 20,000 years ago. Authors of the study stress that by knowing about history, well, that can help lead to working on treatments for future use.
And Mary, it seems like genes start to be a really big topic of conversation when talking about these different diseases.
Alexis, genes, it can affect everything. And we were speaking about genes can either stay quiet, dormant, and you can have a predisposition, or they can awaken and you can end up having a chronic disease. So it's very interesting. And then they're sort of teasing this out right now in terms of research.
Well, Mary, thank you so much.
Thank you.